Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss preparation of benzene. So under this aromatic hydrocarbons, now we are going to discuss the preparation of benzene. So benzene is the simplest aromatic hydrocarbon. The principal source of benzene is coal tar. Coal tar is the principal source of benzene. From coal tar and petroleum products, benzene is commercially prepared. In the chemical way, benzene is prepared by some chemical reactions. First of all, cyclic polymerization. Cyclic polymerization. So polymerization is a process n number of monomers combines together or join together or bind together to form a giant molecule with high molecular weight are called polymerization. Here the cyclic polymerization takes place. Three molecules of ethane. So one molecule CH triple bond CH, CH triple bond CH. So shifting of bond here, shifting of bond here, shifting of bond here. So polymerization at high pressure and temperature 853 and above Kelvin. So ring closure takes place. Benzene ring is formed, or the simplest representation of benzene. So three molecules of ethane undergoes cyclically polymerized to give simple aromatic hydrocarbon called benzene. This is a cyclic polymerization process. The second method is from phenol. Dry distillation process. Phenol on treatment with zinc dust. So zinc dust, it gives this oxygen and zinc combines together to form zinc oxide. The resultant product is benzene. So very important question in the examination point of view. The dry distillation of phenol gives benzene. Dry distillation of phenol gives benzene. Third method, decarboxylation. Decarboxylation process. Decarboxylation, removal of carbon dioxide. Decarboxylating agent, that is benzoic acid, reacts with sodium hydroxide, gives sodium benzoate, COONA, sodium benzoate. Once this compound is formed, it further reacts with decarboxylating agent, soda lime, sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. It gives benzene and sodium carbonate. Carbon dioxide is eliminated in the form of sodium carbonate. So this is the decarboxylation process. So the three methods which are commonly used to prepare benzene in the laboratory. Aromatic hydrocarbons are non-polar in nature, are usually colorless liquid or solids with a characteristic smell. So the aromatic compounds are not polar in nature, especially benzene or phenol or some compounds. Most of the aromatic compounds are non-polar, not undergoes polarization. These compounds are exist as either colorless liquids or solids. They are insoluble in water. but they are readily soluble in polar solvents like benzene, ether, petroleum ether, carbon tetrachloride, etc. And we know that the naphthalene balls in our daily life or in our homes, we are protect the clothes from unwanted spices, we can use the naphthalene ball. The naphthalene gives a certain smell, that is aromatic smell. This compound which act as a protective agent to protect clothes from unwanted spices. Aromatic hydrocarbons are immiscible with water. I already told you these compounds are non-polar in nature, therefore they are not soluble in polar solvents like water. They are immiscible with water and they are readily soluble in non-polar solvents. They are burnt with sooty flame. This is one of the characteristic findings for aromatic hydrocarbons, burns with sooty flame. So, these are some physical properties of this aromatic hydrocarbon, especially benzene. So, I hope all this understood by each and every people. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.